I have been really feeling lemons lately. You guys know I love yellow, and I wanted to do some lemon DIYs for around the house, and of course I'm going to share those tutorials with you guys. I wanted to create this really beautiful, I'm calling it a candle wreath, but I got my inspiration actually from Kirkland's, and I would have done another dupe video because I've done dupe videos in the past, but the little mini lemon wreath, the mini lemon wreaths at Kirkland's that I got the inspiration from is completely sold out, not available. So I don't think I'm going to call this a dupe, but this is all Dollar Tree stuff. But with the exception of the lemons, which I got at Hobby Lobby, which was such a much better deal, you guys. Dollar Tree does sell lemons, but $1 per lemon. So you're definitely going to get a better deal at your local craft store, especially when they have coupons. And I got a little bag and a larger bag of lemons, and both were way better than Dollar Tree's $1 for a lemon. The smaller bag, which is what I use this wreath for, was $4.99, but I had a 50% off coupon, putting this at $2.50 for the lemons alone, and you can see how many lemons I got out of it. So that is the one caveat, but I did want to show you guys that Dollar Tree does sell lemons as well. Anyway, so what I basically did was I took the Willow wreath from Dollar Tree and I started adding the lemons, securing it with some hot glue. Takes a little bit of patience because the wreath is kind of bumpy. It's not a flat surface, so you really kind of have to stabilize the lemons and keep adding hot glue so that it will just kind of stick to where it's at. I wasn't trying to be perfect. I made sure my lemons were facing different ways, and I was going to fill in the spaces later. And then I took some Dollar Tree leaves. I wanted to show you guys, I also got a bouquet from Hobby Lobby as well, but I wanted to show you guys that the leaves were almost identical from the Garland from Dollar Tree versus Hobby Lobby. And so I picked the ones from Dollar Tree, plucked off a couple of those, and then added some hot glue to the ends and then secured them in random spots. I wanted it to be more yellow than green, so I didn't add too many leaves to this DIY. So that's something for you to consider if you want more greenery than yellow. Just add a couple of lemons, maybe cluster them in one little corner, and then add a bunch of like greenery around it. But I wanted my wreath to be more yellow than green, or you can do an equal amount of the same amount of lemons and the same amount of green leaves. So totally up to you. And I think the total cost of this project is going to be closer to the end when I show you guys what I did with it. But I thought it would be really cute to make it into a candle wreath. I thought it would be beautiful to just put a candle in the center of it, and the candle that you're going to see here in a minute is going to be from Target. I decided to go with a white candle, which you're going to see, because basically what I'm doing, oh by the way, is once I was starting to add the leaves, I could see where I had little spots that I needed to fill in, so I kind of went back and added some of the smaller little lemons to it. But yeah, I decided to go with a white candle because I thought it would look really beautiful and highlight the yellow of this wreath. And also I just want to point out, these are perfect as centerpieces. You can make multiples of these. I use the smaller willow wreath from Dollar Tree. You could definitely go with the larger willow wreath and make even bigger ones. You could actually turn this into a real wreath and hang it on your door. So lots of cute little options here for you guys to do, and this would be even beautiful for like luncheons and parties and even weddings. I think this is really beautiful. So originally this was supposed to have been a video with 3 different DIYs, but we're gonna end this after this one. So there's only me 2 in this video. The third one is coming, and I'm gonna group it with a bunch of other spring DIYs. But for this one, I spotted this cute little topper while I was picking out the bag of lemons from Hobby Lobby. It was $2.99, but again 50% off, and so it was $1.50. And for me, that is all I spent for this one DIY because I already had the books and I already had the twine. So if you are someone that makes a lot of DIYs using Dollar Tree stuff, you most likely have some twine laying around, or just in general maybe, but otherwise if you don't have any of this, the total cost was about $5.50. I just picked out some books that I already had on hand. I wanted originally a green book, and I tried to find one at Dollar Tree, but I couldn't, but then I thought lavender looked really beautiful, kind of broke it up and gave it a different color that I'm not used to using in my house. I stacked them in the order of color that I wanted, and then as you saw, I just wrapped some twine, tied it up, and that is it, you guys. So that's it for my DIYs today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're interested in my content, please click subscribe so that you get all of my future content, and please give it a thumbs up too. It also helps me out a lot and it helps to grow my channel. So if you've already done so, thank you so much, you guys, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you for all your suggestions for the next Dollar Tree color video. I can't wait to share it with you guys, and I'll see you there.